it's another half mile or so. Tips for a great day hike. I'm Erin, and I'm going to be talking to you today about some good tips and tricks for having a really awesome day hike. I started hiking about 10 years ago when my husband wanted us to have a hobby together, and he was an avid hiker and thought that that would be a great thing that we could do together. I was a little apprehensive at first, but after my first couple of hikes, I did fall in love with it and been doing it ever since. I do want to point out that the tips I'm going to be giving you today are really only appropriate for day hikes and may not be appropriate for overnight or multiple day hikes. Let's start with best clothing when hiking. Here we have our hiker who, as you can see, is wearing multiple layers. So when we're doing our hikes, even if it's just a day hike, you want to make sure that you have multiple layers, and you always want to make sure that regardless of what the weather forecast is, that you have a raincoat. You never know when those skies are going to open up and pour down rain. Another thing that you always want to make sure that you are wearing is a hat. So that's going to provide you shade from the sun, but it's also going to keep you dry if it starts raining. Another really great piece of clothing to have is a pair of sunglasses with you for those bright sunny days. Something to consider when you're trying to decide what clothes you want to wear for your day hike is you actually want to avoid cotton. I know everybody has those I love hiking cotton t-shirts, but those are actually not good for hiking because they hold in that water. So when it's really hot, you're going to be really sweaty and it's all just going to stick to you. If it's really cold and rainy, it's going to hold that cold, rainy water to your skin. So you want to avoid those. You want to make sure that your pants are nice, lightweight, and breathable. You're going to be navigating branches and roots and rocks and some, harder terrain. So you want to make sure that you can move really easily in them, but that they're also protective of your legs from any bugs or loose branches that you might come in contact with. And finally, a key component to your clothing for that hike is going to be your shoes. You want to make sure that your shoes are nice and sturdy and protective. Again, for those same rocks and boulders and branches that you're going to be walking over, you don't want to wear sandals like me. You want to make sure that you're wearing those sturdy shoes for that hike. Now, let's check out some gear we want to take on our day hike. When we look at gear to take with us, the two most important things are going to be a backpack and a water bottle.
Backpack and a water bottle.
That backpack is going to be really important that it fits you comfortably. So when we look at sizing for backpacks, it's based on your torso length and your waist size. When you're trying to find that perfect backpack to fit you for your day hike, it's always helped to find a fit specialist at the store that you're looking at, and they can help you find that perfect fit so that it's so comfortable during that hike. Now we're going to talk about what goes inside the pack. So there's two things that you really want to make sure you have inside your pack, and that first thing is going to be a map. You can pick that up at the local park ranger station before you start your hike. The second most important thing is going to be a GPS. Now, if you don't have a handheld GPS, what you do have, and what I have right here next to me, is my cell phone. So all cell phones nowadays, the smartphones, all come equipped with GPS, so it's really great to have this with you on your hike. You can also have a smartwatch. So a lot of smartwatches have the GPS functions on them as well. This is actually a compass, can be worn on your wrist, so you have that. So it's just another option to have. You can pick those up at any of your local sporting goods stores. So some other things that I have here laid out on the table that are really important to take with you are things like a flashlight. This is a headlamp, so those are good to have. Even if you're just going to have a day hike, it's good to have those with you on hand anyways. Always have a change of clothes. Shorts or pants, shirts, socks for sure. You do not want to be hiking in wet socks inside those shoes. And always have a bandana. That's always nice to have on hand as well. Extra snacks with you. I've got some bars here. Sunscreen, even if you think it's going to be cloudy, you never know, and it's always good to make sure you have sunscreen on. First aid kit, very important to have. lighter or some sort of fire. So if you have matches, or if you were a Boy Scout or a Girl Scout and know how to rub two sticks together to start a fire, that's always great too. And then finally, and also really important, is a knife. This is actually like a utility knife, so it has a lot of different things on it. If you don't have one like this, just any sort of pocket knife will do as well. For more great resources, check out this list of websites. Thanks for watching. I hope you find this information helpful. Now get out there and enjoy that hike.